Hey everyone, in this video we want to learn some Photoshop techniques such as using masking, creating realistic shadow, and using lots of other tools and filters. So first of all, we started by selecting this elephant using quick selection tool. As you know, you can select it from toolbar or just tap on W key on keyboard. Click and drag this tool on the elephant to select it fast, and don't worry if the selection area is not what you expected, because we can add to or subtract from it. Alright, so now just click on lasso tool or just tap on L key on keyboard and hold shift key to add to your selection or alt key to subtract from it. You can use mouse scroll to zoom in or out, or tap Ctrl 0 to see the whole photo you are working on. Then to select the hair, click on select menu and then select a mask. Now click on the second brush and paint on the hair to refine hair edges, and then click OK. Now move the elephant to the main document using move tool or just tap on V key on keyboard. So in here you can use free transform tool using Ctrl T and then rotate or resize that if you like to. In this part, I want to move her fingers above the elephant. We have two ways to do so. First, we can select her fingers and copy them to another layer and move it above. Or we can use mask tool to hide some parts of the elephant. I'll use the second way. So to do so, first select her fingers, make sure the elephant's layer is hidden. Now that the fingers are selected, make the elephant's layer unhidden. Hold Alt key in keyboard and then click on mask icon in down part of the layers panel. I see some extra orange parts, so I zoom in and tap on E key on keyboard to use eraser tool and erase those parts. Click on the chain sign between the mask and the elephant layer thumbnail to lock the mask place. So now if I change the place of the elephant or rotate or even resize it, you can still see the fingers. Here I want to remove the orange parts, so tap S on keyboard to use clone stamp tool. Now hold Alt key on keyboard and then click on anywhere you want to select the source and then release it. Now click on the destination point, so you can copy the color or pixels from the first point to the second one. Now to create some shadows, first make a new layer above the other layers, then select brush tool or just tap B key from keyboard. Tap 3 to make the brush opacity 30%. Right click on the screen and decrease the amount of hardness to 0. Now hold Ctrl key and click on mask part of the elephant layer to select everywhere but the fingers. Now paint near the fingers to make some shadows. Don't forget this, the closer, the darker. Alright, now we want to make shadow on the fingers, so again hold Ctrl key on keyboard, then click on mask part of the elephant layer, but this way you selected everything but fingers. To inverse the selection, just tap Ctrl I in keyboard and then paint on the edge of the fingers. Don't worry about the darkness. After painting the shadow, we will put some effects on it to make it more realistic. There is an important note here to have a more realistic shadow. Selecting its color. Shadows always are not black, they affect by the color around them. So look at your photo and choose the darkest shadow in it. To do that, you should click on Set Foreground tool, which is a square full of a solid color in toolbar, and then click on any color you like to. Now paint the shadow. Okay, so now you click on Filter menu and then Blur, and now choose Gaussian Blur. Make some changes and see the result. Whenever you are happy with the result, just click OK. Repeat that for the other shadow layer. Then look at the photos, and if you see some differences in colors, just click on Color Balance tool from down part of the Layers panel and make some changes. And that was all. You learned lots of techniques in Photoshop for today. Like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay tuned for next videos I'll make just for you. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.